Okay. Okay, maybe I just don't know what I'm doing. Okay, everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Imani. If you guys are new here, what's up? What it is? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I have so many videos prepared for you guys. I know I say this literally all the time in every video that I talk in, but like this whole quarantine situation has had me just in a whole other space, and I have a whole life update video coming this week. And if you guys want to check out my other post-grad update videos when I just graduated about 6 months ago, and those were recorded in I think November but posted probably like 2 or 3 months after that, those will be down in the description box below. So a few disclaimers for this video. I have a new lens in and it has autofocus on it, so you guys may hear that autofocus sound because I have my microphone up today. So I'm sorry if you guys hear that microphone sound. This is my first time using this lens, but I really like this lens. I picked up the Nifty 50 and all my camera information that I'm filming with today will be down in the description box below. So let's get into it. This video is going to be about my new Canon T7i that I got through the Canon Refurbishment program. So if you guys are interested in seeing the unboxing of my new camera, stay tuned. So let's talk about the shipping. The shipping came like super freaking quick. I want to say that I ordered this on like a Wednesday or a Tuesday or a Thursday, and it came on like Friday. It came super quick. It came like Friday morning, I feel like early morning, like between like 10 and 12. I ordered it directly from the Canon website. I will try to leave a link down below for the direct link to the camera that I bought. If I can't put the link down there since I don't have magic links because I'm still small here, I'm gonna grow so much. I will try to leave a link down below, but if not, I'll just put in like all my info of the camera that I got. And so yeah, let's get right into it because I'm so excited to unbox it. I literally haven't touched it. I wanted to film this video for you guys, and I just got this new lens. I think this came this past week too, or yeah, I think this came out at the beginning of the week. I ordered that off Amazon. Try to have a link for my lens below for you guys as well. I'm so excited that came in. So here's the box that it came in. Pretty simple. I got some hand sanitizer for after I'm touching on the box because you know Corona is alive and well. Let's get into the unboxing. Okay, y'all, I really hope this angle is not crooked. So here's my box, and yes, I did have on some sweatpants with that crop top because why does it matter? Okay, great. So I'm just gonna in it first is just a confirmation, how much I paid and all that. This is what we have. So in it are just some Canon cards in here, then a really thick instruction manual. Look how thick that is, y'all. Thick. And the universal name for it is the Canon 800D, but the US name is the Canon T7i. Battery charger. We got an armband for it. Excuse my nails as well. We have our kit lens right here, which is the 18 to 25 millimeter. And then, ooh, and I'm sorry, this is the battery for it, obviously. Our camera. So here is what it's looking like. It has, ooh, this is nice and lightweight. I really like how lightweight this is. Here is this part. And I know y'all are probably wondering, like, you have a mirrorless Canon, the Canon M50, like why did you want this camera? And I wanted this camera because I really wanted, and this flips out as well, just like my Canon M50. Look at that, it's nice. Here are all the back dials. and all of that jazz. So yeah, here is my camera, and let's go put it together. So now that we've got everything for our camera, let's just go ahead and put it together. Why not? Let's start with the battery. So I'm gonna pop that in there. Ooh. Okay. Okay, maybe I just don't know what I'm doing. Oh, there we go. So now it's in there. Snap that in. And now the camera will turn on. Don't have a memory card in here, obviously, but let's go ahead and put on the lens. So I'm going to go ahead and twist this part off. And that's the part that you put into the camera. Here's the front part, the lens protector. Then I'm going to pop this bad boy off. I really don't know what this is called, but and then we match those lines up to those lines. Twist it, and now we're good to go. Guys, I'm so excited about this. I'm so excited about this camera. Like, y'all don't even understand. This is just okay. So you guys just saw the camera footage, and like I said, I know you guys are probably wondering, like, why did you just get a camera and you already have a mirrorless M50 camera? Because I want to dedicate this M50 to just strictly my vlogging camera, and then my T7i as like my photo camera and my main like filming camera when I'm shooting a sit down video like this one. And I also wanted just like a really good camera just for the sake of pictures. And I feel like the T7i is a great investment because I know YouTubers who are using like the T6i who have really great quality videos, and of course they use like a more expensive lens, but I feel like the camera is really like the main body that the lens attaches itself to. So I feel like the camera was a really great investment, on top of the fact that I didn't have to purchase it at full price through the Canon Refurbishment program. And as you guys can see, the camera looks brand new. It came in the original box. It had everything that the normal camera would have. So I'm definitely going to give you guys probably like about a month or two of using it. I'll come back and give you guys an update video. If you guys are watching this in the future, the update video should be down in the description lines below or up top. So yeah, I'm super excited to, you know, start using it, start taking pictures, and just start expanding my content, because that's what I really want to do. That's why I'm on here. So content coming out this week if you're watching this video current, and if you're not watching this video current, every video that I'm naming will be down in the description box below if you guys are watching this in the future. Which, hello, welcome, hope you guys stay. What's up? So this week coming out, obviously this video that you're watching right now, and then I will have my wash routine video, and then I will have a quarantine life update video coming out for you guys. So three uploads coming out this week. I'm super excited to be back on this platform and to be back consistent. I'm super excited just to you know, be back on here and to continue to grow, because you guys know, even though quarantine is in place, I still plan on moving, and I will get way more into that, into my quarantine / life update video that's coming out later for you guys this week. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and stay to the end. Follow me on all social media. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Check out another video because it's lit, baby, lit, baby, lit. Peace.